students of Batasan Hills National High School. We are Centaurus TV
delivering you the freshest
and the latest news from the school. The long preparation of the robotics team of Batasan Hills National High School was led by Mr. Garen Saladares has been finally made. The robotics team, who is composed of certain STA students, namely Patricia Ocampo, Hannah Shinyanero, Mercy De Felix, Seiji Kamiyama, Mika Nakolanga, and others, has won their third place in the Philippine Robotics Olympiad with their invention called Project Sword. Last September 9, 2016 in SM North EDSA Annex Building. And here is Ira for more information.
The whole school was very proud of the invention made by the robotics team, not only because of the achievement brought by it, but because it can help in the school's cleanliness maintenance. The invention's purpose is basically to sort out trashes, specifically plastic cups from paper cups. And it will give back chips for the one who threw the trash. The chips will be added to the students' grade, and of course, this will attract the students to throw their trashes properly in the robot. And it's up to the robot to throw their trashes out. To sort their trashes out. This futuristic trash can is an astonishing invention that made it possible for the team to fly in New Delhi, India this November and hopefully to bring back another achievement for Batasan Hills National High School. Back to you, Susana.
And now that concludes our daily report. Please do stay tuned for more updates. We are Centaurus TV, now signing off.